Okay, let's get started to see what would be the number that you need to cast on for the top-down sweater to get a perfect fit. So we're gonna follow three easy steps. Step one will be who we are making the sweater. I mean, what is the size of the person that you are making? If you are making for an adult, it's different. If for a kid's different, and also for infants different. I'm gonna give you those numbers that you can follow. I will put these information below in the description. These are giving you the uh, measurement for the neck and depend on if you are making with a back opening or just straight without any back opening. You're gonna find out your measurement. You can pick a smaller number or between or the highest number. For example, here I'm gonna work this size, older child, and between 30 to 38 centimeter, I'm gonna pick 36 centimeter just between those numbers because I have back opening and I want to have extra room there. So these numbers I'm gonna put down in the description and also in the written version. We pick that number. Second, we're gonna find out what would be our gauge. Step two, you're gonna find out how many stitches are included in your 10 centimeter of the yarn and needle size you are using. You can use the label given of the yarn. Usually they recommend the needle size and they give you how many stitches make 10 centimeter of the fabric. If you don't have the label like mine, you are using old one or you're changing different needle size, make sure to work a swatch. You can cast on 20 stitches, 10 stitches, and then work flat for a couple rows, and then measure with your measuring tape and see how many stitches are in 10 centimeter, for example. For me, I have every 10 centimeter, I have 25 stitches. That's my gauge. Now I'm gonna see what would be 36 centimeter with the stitches. That means I'm gonna have 36 centimeter here. What would be the stitch number? We're gonna work very simple mathematics here. We're gonna multiply these two numbers and divide by 10. 25 multiplied by 36 divided by 10. That's 90. It means I need to have 90 stitches for reaching this measurement. Now, step three, we are not done yet. We're going to cast on 90 stitches. Then we have to decide for each section how many we need to have, how many we need to divide. And that's the step three. For that one, first we're gonna take away some stitches from this amount because we're gonna have four stitches, one here, one here, one, total of four stitches that will be used for increasing. So we're gonna deduct that number. And also, if you are working a back opening like mine, you can deduct another four stitches, two of each side for back opening because I worked I cord stitch here and that give you a very professional look. Then you have to have extra two stitches here on each side. So I divide those two numbers from 90 and I got to 82 stitches. You're gonna cast on 90, and then when we are done with this section, we're gonna divide our stitches. I'm gonna show in a little bit. For each section here, this is the front, these are the sleeves, and this is the back. 1/3 of that number will be your entire front. 1/3 will be these two sections, and 1/3 will be here. You can have extra for the back, like one or two, doesn't matter. So to get those numbers, I'm gonna work on those one later, but I will show it right here. We're gonna divide 82 by 3 to get the front section. This will be my front. That gives me 27.33. I'm gonna go with 28 stitches. So when I separating those stitches, I'm gonna consider 28 for the front. For sleeves, we're gonna do the same calculation. This time we're gonna divide 82 by 6 because we're gonna have each section separate. And that gives me 13.66. I'm gonna consider 14 stitches for each section here. 14 here, 14 here, and for the front, 28. Now for the back, you can say whatever is left. Usually it should be this correct number. For the back, when you are working back opening, you're gonna divide 82 by 6. And then this time I'm gonna get the smaller number, 13 plus 2. This is each section here. 13 plus 2. It means for each section here, I'm gonna consider 15 stitches. Here, here. So when you are dividing, we're gonna divide 15, then 14, 28, 14, and this will be 15 stitches. When you are working this section, it's gonna be okay. Don't worry, you're not gonna have extra here. We need a little bit extra just to have them on top of each other.